Hello guys, Martin from 620 here. It's not very early in the morning, but today we are going to some drift school with one of my best friends. So yeah, that's short clip that I want to tell you that we are going to drift. So this is the start of the vlog. So wish us luck. I'm traveling to there and we'll see you. So here we are with my friend Deso. Introduce yourself, Deso.
Hi guys, I'm Deso,
And this
friend of Marto. Here.
very cool guy. Da, напред и вдясно. Very cool guy. Тук сложени субтитри. Okay, right now Deso is drifting, so we're going to check out what's happening.